If you are a new or a beginner trader and you are looking for a great broker or app to get you started in your trading journey, then I want to share with you WeBull because they truly are a great broker, especially like I said, if you're a beginner and looking to just get started. Now for you longer time viewers of the channel, I know you've heard about WeBull before. However, WeBull is great because they're constantly updating and improving their platform, and they've made some recent updates that that people kind of just pointed out that I thought, that's actually worth a video because these are some really impressive updates. And I know they're not new in the sense of, yeah, but so-and-so does that. Oh yeah, well, I've seen that before over there. And I suppose I can't say I guarantee, but I think the odds are high that anybody else you're naming that do these things, they're probably charging you money. But WeBull is completely free. And not only are they free, if you sign up using the link down below, they do offer free stocks when you sign up. And at the time of this recording, you'll get 6 free stocks when you sign up and put money into the account. And when I say put money in, I don't mean you're spending anything, you're just depositing money, and that money would then be used for your actual trading. So yes, it does require money, but that money is used not as paying them, but money that you would then go on and use to trade or invest with. So just a quick clarification point for those of you that are brand new beginners. And I realize sometimes things like that can get a little confusing, but I just want to walk you through a couple of these new features and why they're, in my mind, powerful. But let me be very clear, not powerful in the sense of, oh, it's a holy grail and you're just going to start making money. But powerful from a time efficiency standpoint. It's going to allow you to be better with your time, and the less time you spend wasting, then that just gives you more time that you can spend doing things that are going to improve efficiency that much more. So just want to keep that in mind. None of this is coming from oh yeah, this new feature. Just go Lambo shopping right now, and put it on your credit card because you'll be able to pay it off as soon as you get these scanners. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that these are certainly worth keeping an eye on and being aware of. And even if you do have a broker and you just want to add in some new scanners that are free, you could open up a WeBull account, deposit some money, so you get those 6 free stocks. And then, you're going to have a nice scanner to coincide with whatever broker you're using. But I mean, the easiest way in my mind would just be to keep it all, under one umbrella, but I'll leave that up to you. So let's just go to their platform here, and you can see that this is their main screen. And I get it, if you're brand new, may be kind of overwhelming, but it's not as overwhelming as you think, especially when you can customize it. So if you just want to really get rid of a bunch of these windows, you could do that. But what I want to focus on here is over here, when you click on that, is the screener. So bringing up the screener there is going to bring up, the way that you can just scan the markets very quickly. I should have probably noted this, depending on how new you are. A screener, a stock filter, all those things, a scanner are going to be a tool that just goes and finds stocks in a particular way that you tell it that you want it. So if you want a stock behaving in a certain way, a screener is going to help you find that. So you click up on here on filters, and the new filters that they've added, there are several of them, but from a technical point of view, and as someone like myself that is a technical trader, then we have a lot of great options over here in terms of what you can choose. And I'm not going to go through each and every one, but for example, if you have a certain pattern that you want to play, you would click on that, and then over here you can see that it has now brought up a whole bunch of patterns. So if you're like, oh, I like to play flag patterns, well, here you go. You could go over there, click on flag, and right there, then this pops up. Okay, well, what kind of flag are you looking for? Are you looking for a bullish flag? Are you looking for a bearish flag? It gives you a couple of choices in terms of what you'd want to be looking for. And then you want a long-term flag, a medium term, a short term. And as you click on these, you'll see right here matches 8,000. Well, that's because you haven't told it anything yet. But if you want a bearish pattern, then you can see right there 86 now. Okay, we want more of a short-term one. So there's 83 or maybe shorten. So I mean, it's great how it changes, and you can see in the background how it changes with you depending on what your criteria are. And maybe you want to play a double bottom or top. Once again, bullish. So let's try the bullish one, and then maybe medium term. So I mean, it's as quick as that, and then you can of course go up and pull up the chart as you want. So that is classic patterns. Maybe you want some sort of candlestick. So if you like a exact type of candlestick type situation, you can go and find and once again, you get the idea. But they have just added in so many more different criteria. And it was very good beforehand, but this just adds things up and it gives you that much more freedom and flexibility to add on to what you want in terms of, you know, certain situations within the markets and how you'd want to potentially, you know, take those trades. So right there in and of itself is fantastic. And in my opinion, as somebody that's traded for a long time, you know, and I guess I'm getting old, okay, so be it. But I remember, and I feel like such an old man saying this, but when I got started, when I had to walk to school uphill both ways, this sort of stuff existed. To be fair, yes, but it was not free and it was not cheap at all. But to now see this sort of stuff for free, in my opinion, you are an absolute fool if you are paying for scanners and such that give you that you can find for free. I mean, I get it. It's cool to have, you know, a lot of smoke and mirrors, but at the end of the day, it's the data. It's the information that hopefully you are most concerned with, not how's this going to look on Instagram? Can I like make a cool TikTok video with this stuff? You know, hopefully that's not what you want. Hopefully you just want, you know what, I want to be efficient with my time. I want to be efficient with my money. And that's why I want to get this video out here for WeBull. And like I said, not to mention when you're getting free stocks to sign up for something that's going to help you, that seems like a good win-win to me. And I should note that if you use my link down below, which you'll have to get those free stocks, that is an affiliate link, so I'll get something too. But before Clay, come on. This whole video was just some sort of, and no. There are a lot of other platforms out there, and I'll name names. Robinhood. Robinhood also offers an affiliate program. I have never, and I suppose I cannot say will never, but I've never recommended Robinhood. And yes, they do offer an affiliate, so this video is not me saying all this, oh, just because they offer an affiliate. No. A lot of other places offer affiliate links that I don't recommend. So it has actually nothing to do with that, but I did want to, you know, be transparent that if you use that link to get those free stocks, then that will be an affiliate where I will get something too. So I hope this helps, and I know I didn't go too deep into it, but I have a lot of other videos on WeBull and the platform and how to set it up, how to use it, that you can watch. So there's really no need to repeat myself in that regard, but I did want to give you a quick update that these new features have been added. And like I said, from somebody that's an old man that's seen a whole lot over the years, these are great features that kind of mind-blowing that not only are they free, but you'll get free stock for just signing up so you can gain access to all these great features. So if you want any of that, click that link down below. If you have any questions or anything like that, then again, in the comment section, let me know. But like I said, I think you'd be pretty foolish as a beginner, somebody that's just getting started, to have access to this sort of power and not, you know, give yourself access to it. So definitely go get signed up and let me know, like I said, if you have any questions. So hit that like button, leave any comments down below, and check out the channel as a whole. And if you like what you see, then hopefully you decide to hit that red subscribe button. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.